Welcome to my patio. Now this video is more of a review of the Brock Paver base pads than a how-to video. They already have a how-to video and it's excellent, so I'm not going to duplicate that, but I will give you kind of the tips that I learned and just troubles that I came across as I went. Now I actually built this patio almost 3 years ago, so this video will cover the initial install and how the pads and the patio has held up so far. I also have a link in the description below where you can pick these Brock Paver Base pads up. I like these pads for several reasons. Not only does it save you time and money, but it goes a lot faster and you end up with a very smooth surface to lay the bricks. So I have some leveling sand and then I have a layer of filter fabric weed barrier beneath that. And below that fabric is a compacted rocky soil. The layer of sand is not that thick at all. If I went back and did this again, I probably would have spent more time perfecting the grade, but that has nothing to do with these pads. Now these pads interlock in a specific way, and I made a mistake on the very last panel. I wasn't paying attention and I cut it down to fit. These pads are very easy to cut with just a box cutter. But I made a mistake and I cut it the wrong way. So just pay attention to which way the panel goes before you do any cutting so that you don't have to make up for it afterward. Now, over the years, I haven't had a single problem with drainage. And when I put the pads down, I was actually kind of worried because it felt kind of spongy, like it wasn't going to feel natural with the bricks. It wasn't going to feel solid, but after I put the bricks down, it feels rock solid. It felt rock solid as soon as I put them down, and to this day, not a brick has moved. So it was the best thing about this is that it gave a very smooth surface to lay the bricks, and I didn't have to worry about stepping or disrupting sand at any point or leveling a brick that was maybe rising too high. All of them laid flush, flat, and even. It was fantastic. Overall, it was a very enjoyable experience. If I had to do this again, I would definitely use these pads. That's probably the best endorsement that I can give. So hopefully this video has helped you out in making your decision on whether or not to use these pads. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions or if you're going to go for it and use these. Also, I have a Patreon page where you can donate one time or monthly, even $1. Helps me out significantly in being able to make more videos. The next video we're going to be doing is a flower pot sandbox. We are limited on space here on this patio, and so we need a place for my 2-year-old to have some fun but not make a huge mess. So we'll be doing that. So click subscribe if you want more videos like this, and have a great day.